Okay, so here we have my Coinbase account. I had to, for demonstration purposes, I took a little bit of my Ethereum from my other wallet and I transferred it here. As you can see, it's pending August 29th. I transferred it here to my Coinbase account where I will cash out. So I'm going to refresh the page and the transaction should go from pending to complete. So now, see, there it is now completed. August 29th, same transaction, and I now have a small balance here. All right, so I'm gonna click on this and show you that this has been completed, and this is just a little summary of the transaction showing from which account I made it from and then to this specific account. Next thing I have to do is convert my Ethereum into US dollars. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm gonna click sell Ethereum to cash. Okay. As you can see, there's nothing there. I'm gonna click sell all Ethereum, sell all of my Ethereum, and then it auto-populates. There'll be a small transaction fee. We're gonna sell now. And it's basically just selling my Ethereum into US dollars. Boom, order was submitted. Okay, so now I'm going to have to go into my US cash, US dollars wallet. And as you can see here in my activity, there's the transaction sold from Ethereum to USD. Okay, that's complete. It's pretty instant, went through right away. All right, so I'm gonna go into my USD dollar wallet. All right, there's my balance, 65.51, August 29th, there's the transaction. So we're gonna do a withdrawal. I'm gonna withdraw into my PayPal account. There's the balance again. Continue. And there's my PayPal account that I'm gonna send my money to. It's more instant this way, and I love instant. So continue. You could, however, transfer to your bank as well, but I like PayPal just because, again, it's instant. And I just went ahead and submitted it. Done. I have nothing else to withdraw. Transaction has been completed. And there's the activity showing of the transaction to my PayPal. Plain and simple, I'm gonna go ahead and log into my PayPal here just to show you guys that it did go into my PayPal account. Go ahead and confirm. I'm not a robot. Alright, so as we log into PayPal, you're going to see my balance is the $65.51, the amount that was transferred from my Coinbase account. Boom. There it is. Plain and simple. It was pretty quick and easy, just a few clicks here and there, you know, and I was able to convert my Ethereum into US dollars and cash it right out into my PayPal account. Guys, this is amazing. I love it. I love it, love it, love it.